Hello everyone and welcome to HANNOVER MESSE 2026. This year everything is about automation and digitalization, about technology and research transfer, and also about energy and industrial infrastructure, and of course about AI. Norbert, you differentiate from others because you always talk about co-intelligence. What does it mean?
Manufacturing today is complex and diverse. With co-intelligence, manufacturing co-intelligence, we mean that AI, machines, data, and humans are coming together to address the challenges that we have in manufacturing today.
What is the role of Bosch in the collaboration with Microsoft, for example?
You know, Microsoft are a key partner for us. They deliver to us a lot of technological components, also the cloud environment that is compliant and safe. We bring to the party the Bosch production know-how, right?
Yes.
That we have that sets us apart from so many others, right? We live and breathe production.
Yes.
And especially in the agentic AI world, this is so important.
If you could define the factory as a future place, what three attributes would you give it the factory of the future?
You know, there's a lot of talk over lights out factories and so forth, and
Yes.
that might exist in a lighthouse place in electronics or semiconductors or so.
Yes.
But for the vast majority of the industry, it's too diverse, it's too safety critical, it's too complex, right? That it makes economic sense to even ambition to that, right? The human will play a key role,
Yes.
right? We think that, and we want to augment humans. Right?
Yes.
And that's what we mean with manufacturing co-intelligence. Co-intelligence,
Yes.
right, is a key term. And if we get that all right, then
Yeah.
this is a huge opportunity, especially for manufacturers in Europe.
Sven, tell us more about the Agile One that you have just launched.
Yeah, so the Agile One is our new humanoid robot that we developed for manufacturing and be part of our production industrial ecosystem.
Yeah.
We will show it for the first time at Hannover Fair.
Wow.
So very happy and looking forward to actually presenting it to the world.
That's cool. So you need to come to the Agile Robots booth to take a selfie with Agile One, of course. Okay, if I were a factory worker today and I go into the factory, there's Agile One, for example. Like, how do we collaborate?
For us, the humanoid robot is not an off-the-shelf product. It's really a part of a full solution, and of course it always depends very much.
Yes.
We see the humanoid factor really coming into play together with classical automation, with automation is already there, with the humans itself.
Yes, for me the factory of the future is also a future place. If you could give this future place three attributes, like from the Agile Robots perspective, what would that be?
So I think what's for us important is that the future will be smart. I think this is the most important thing. Second thing is, of course, it has to be safe, and I think this is very important. Specifically also with these kind of humanoids, there are not even certifications for this kind of humanoids or systems yet, so that's why we're working in the consortium to create new ISO standards also for these kind of systems. This is very important.
Okay.
But of course, in the end, it needs to be productive. And I think this is, most important at all.
Yes.
It doesn't help us if the thing's just standing around or the prototypes work, but they never find their way into an actual production. In the end, we really need to make these things productive on a daily basis in an actual factory environment.
Yeah. At Hannover Messe, I'm happy to translate technology into real use cases. It will be all about industrial AI and AI factories, how you build up physical AI and also agentic AI use cases. I'm very much looking forward to explore that with you together. Come join us at Hannover Messe 2026.